Good morning students, class 8, welcome back, and we will do exercise 15.3 question number 7. Okay, cut question number 6. That question is having some problem. Okay, some value is missing. Okay, so we will do question number 7. Just read from your books. A rectangular piece of paper having width 88 centimeter and breadth 25 centimeter is folded along its length. Okay, to form a cylinder. Means suppose there is one paper. I can take any paper like this. Okay, suppose this is any paper. Let's see it. Okay, it is in the form of a rectangle. Its length is 88 centimeter and its breadth is 25 centimeter. It is folded along its length. Okay, this is a length now, so it is folded along its length to form a cylinder. When it will become a cylinder, then you can see now that the height of the cylinder is the length of the rectangle, because we have rolled it along its length. So length of the rectangle will become now height of the cylinder, and this part CSA of cylinder. Okay, CSA of cylinder will be the breadth of the rectangle, means length of the rectangle will become height of the cylinder, and this breadth of the rectangle will become the circumference of the base of the cylinder. Okay, so it means height of cylinder will be equal to the length, that will be 88 centimeter, and circumference of base of cylinder, that will be equals to breadth of the rectangle. Okay, and the breadth of the rectangle is given to us 25, and we all know the formula of finding the circumference. It is 2 pi r. Okay, now question is asking that we have to find out its cut surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so how to find out cut surface area? Cut surface area of the cylinder, we all know the formula. It is 2 pi r h. Okay, 2 pi r value is 25. Okay, height is how much? 88. Right here centimeter also. Okay, so we have to multiply 25 into 88 for getting our answer. It will become 2200 centimeter square. 2200 centimeter square, which is our needed answer. Okay, so students, just note it and read the question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is saying an open cylindrical vessel. It is a open cylindrical vessel. It means it is actually open from the top. Here it is closed. Okay, so it is about this question is saying that open cylindrical vessel whose length is 42 centimeter. Length means its height is how much? 42 centimeter, and its diameter is 28 centimeter. Diameter is 28 centimeter, and we all know that the radius will be half of diameter. It will become 14 centimeter. Now question is saying this cylinder is actually made up of a this is kind of a metal sheet. Now question is saying find the area of metal sheet required for making the vessel. Means we have to find out the surface area of the vessel of this thing. So what it is having? It is having the cut surface area, means CSA of cylinder, plus it is having the area of the base. Area of the base, because it is closed from there. Okay, CSA formula is 2 pi RH. Area of the base, it is in the form of a circle, so its area is pi r square. Now we have to simplify this expression little bit before substituting the value. So what is coming common? Pi r. So take out pi r from outside. So what is left here? 2h plus r. Okay, now in place of pi and r and h, we have to substitute the values. It will be 22 upon 7. R we all know 14 into 2 into h. H is 42 plus r is 14. Okay, 7 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 22 2 is 44 into 42 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It will become 84. 84 plus 14, it will become 98. Okay? So 44 into 98, we will get our answer 4312 centimeter square, which is our needed answer. Okay? Note it. Okay, students, now read question number 9 from your books. It is saying the ratio of height of right circular cylinder to its radius is 1:2. Means we are having the ratio of height upon radius, it is 1/2. Okay. Now question is asking, it is one more information is giving curved surface area. Its CSA is how much? 616 meter square. Now question is saying find its diameter. So for finding the diameter, first of all we have to find the radius. So we all know the formula of CSA. It is 2 pi RH is equals to 616. Now actually we need the radius. We don't have to calculate height. So what we will do from this ratio, okay, the ratio which is given to us, from here I will find out the value of H in terms of R. I can transpose it to right hand side. So in place of H I can substitute R upon 2. So 2 into pi we know 22 upon 7 into R in place of H, R upon 2 is equals to 616. Okay. 2 is cancelled by 2. So R into R square 616, transpose 7 and 22 to right hand side, 7 and this here came 22. Okay. Now we have to solve it. 11 2s are, 11 5s are, 11 6s are. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So R square is equals to 28 into 7. Now we have to do the factors of 28. It will become 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 7 4s are 28 into 7. We all know square goes in square root. So square root will come on 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. 1 2 and 1 7 will come outside. So it will become 14 meter. Now we need the diameter. We all know diameter is double of radius, means 2 into 14. It will become 28 meter, which is our needed answer. Is it clear? Note it. Okay, student. Now see on the board question number 10. Okay. In question number 10, it is given the lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 1408 centimeter square. Lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder. Lateral surface area we all know, it is actually the curved surface area. It is given how much? 1408 meter square. Okay, not meter, it is actually centimeter square. Now question is saying it is cut along its height and thus a rectangular sheet of width 32 centimeter is formed. Means suppose this is our cylinder. Okay. So what actually done, we had just cut it along its height like this. This is the height, and when we will cut it, it will get converted in the form of this rectangular sheet. Okay, and the width means breadth of this is how much? 32 centimeter. Now according to the question we have to find out length and then we have to find out the perimeter of this rectangular sheet. We all know that this part here means area of the rectangle will be equal to the curved surface area of the cylinder, because it is cut like this and then expanded here. Okay, it means CSA of cylinder equals to area of rectangle. Okay, CSA of cylinder is 1408. Area of rectangle we all know L into B. 1408 equal B value we are having how much? 32. Therefore length will be equals to 1408 upon 32. Now we have to solve it and find out the answer. If we cut it, it will come 44 centimeter. Okay. One more thing, it is asked in question that we have to find out perimeter of this sheet. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus B, means 2 into L 44, B 32. 2 into 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 3 7. Just multiply it and you will get the answer 152 centimeter. Is it clear? So students, complete exercise 15.3 up to question number 10 in your fair copies. Cut question number 11 and 12. In our next video we will start exercise 15.4. Okay, thank you very much.